Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my July 2020 Boxycharm unboxing. I'm so excited because this was the last box I was waiting on, and if you get these beauty subscription boxes, you know that the waiting is such a tough part, and I keep tracking my boxes, and then this one didn't have tracking for the longest time, so I was worried that I wasn't gonna get it. But so now I am relieved that I have received all of my boxes. So I received my Boxycharm Premium box, which I was really happy with that. I can have my unboxing of that linked in the description down below if you want to see all of the products I got in that. But I also got my Ipsy Glam Bag, Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, and Ipsy Glam Bag Ultimate. So I have all of those unboxings on my channel. I also do full dedicated review videos on all of the makeup products that I get. And then I also do full face makeup tutorials using all of the products at the end of the month. So if you love those types of videos as much as I do, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, turn on the notifications so that you don't miss out on those. But so let's get into one of my favorite parts about all of this, the unboxing. So let's see what I got. All right, here's what it looks like. So this regular Boxycharm box cost $25, and I believe you're guaranteed to get at least $120 value. I do have a product card here. I'm not looking at it because I have no idea what I'm getting. And oh, actually, I was just about to say you get to choose one product for each of your boxes, and I was like, I can't remember what I chose, but now I remember because I chose seriously one of my all-time favorite products. So, I mean, why don't I just jump into this right here? This is Lash, the Essential Serum. This is a lash growth serum that I have been using for years, maybe 3 or 4 years, and it does wonders. I have seen it just transform my lashes. It makes my lashes so long, but I've also seen amazing results on many other people. My sister, my sister's friend, we all have gorgeous lashes now, and it is because of Lash. You'll actually see in my monthly empties video that I'm going to be doing for July that I just used up my Lash, and I forgot that I had another one on the way, so this is so perfect. It's so pretty, the packaging. But seriously, one of my life goals is to be sponsored by Lash or to be a spokesperson for Lash because I just truly believe in this product. It's basically a life-changing product. I was just saying yesterday to someone that wanted to get lash extensions, I'm like, lash extensions are such a pain in the butt. There's so much upkeep, such a hassle. You should just get Lash, and that seriously is my recommendation. I don't really wear false lashes ever anymore just because I'm so happy with how my natural lashes look. So I can go on and on about Lash, but I think you get the gist that this stuff is seriously awesome. And the retail value on it is $59. And that is expensive, but I have a tip for you. Every year on Black Friday, Lash does great deals. They are usually maybe half off, 40% off, so I stock up on Lash every year on Black Friday. I think last year I bought 3. I got, or maybe more than 3 because I gave some as gifts and I kept backup for myself. So if you were not able to get Lash in Boxycharm and you want to try it, I would recommend Black Friday, or maybe they'll have it in the Boxycharm add-ons pop-up shop for a discounted price. If so, I would definitely get it because it's hard to find this at a discounted price, so when I do, I try and stock up. All right, let's see what else we got. Oh, another Ciate London product. This is the Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. Oh, you know what? I have tried out the Everyday Vacay Coconut Powder, which was pretty good, and I do like setting mists. My reaction to seeing another Ciate London product is kind of like, I get so much Ciate London products in both Ipsy and Boxycharm, and it's not always great. If it was a brand that makes really great products, I would be excited to get so many of them, but a lot of the products that I have tried out from Ciate London have been flops, but you know, I'm still open to trying them. Cute packaging on this. I was just about to go and spray it, but I'm going to save this for the dedicated review video. But it says it has fresh coconut extract, softening niacinamide, dewy finish, coconut scented. Sounds nice. Let's see what the retail value is on this. $22. And I may have forgotten to mention that in Boxycharm, your $25 box comes with all full-size products, so I love that. Another product that I have here, this is from the brand Nude Sticks. It's Rock and Roller Easy Eyeliner Ink in Golden Rosé. So is this an eyeliner, but maybe a rose gold eyeliner? Seems kind of fun with a roller. I'm very sick of getting black eyeliners, but I think I'm open to a golden rosé eyeliner. And Nude Sticks is a brand that I have not tried out many products from. So the Nude Sticks Rock and Roller retails for $26. Next up, I was hoping I would get this. This is from Fenty Beauty. It's the Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. This is my first Fenty Beauty product. I got this in the shade 24K Ray. 24K Ray. But oh my gosh, I have been wanting to try out Fenty Beauty forever. This is kind of like an iconic packaging here. Oh, it looks so pretty. Yay. Okay, this might have made the box for me because I was hoping I would finally get a Fenty Beauty product. I hope that I love that one. I hope it's the right shade for me. It's the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder, which retails for $28. So it says you can apply it to face, eyes, and body. I have been really enjoying doing body shimmer these days, so this seems like it'll be a great product for that. And then lastly, I have a palette from the brand PUR. This says Festival 12-piece pressed pigment palette. Oh, the Festival 2.0 palette. Ooh, I really like the brand PUR. And I love palettes, so I'm so excited to see what this looks like. Oh my gosh, look at this beautiful, fun packaging. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my gosh, the colors in here are so bright. Like, I'm so drawn to this bright red pink shade. You've got a big mirror. Wow, so 12 beautiful eyeshadows. There are pressed sparkles, mattes, shimmers. I am so excited. I love playing around with colorful, sparkly eyeshadows, so I'm going to be trying this out in one of my upcoming videos because I just can't wait to try this. So hard to resist touching them too because I want to save my swatching for that dedicated video. Okay, wow, I am very happy with my box. And my box is very different from other unboxings that I saw. I'm surprised. But I also love that there's such a variety in the Boxycharm boxes this month. But so that PUR Cosmetics Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette retails for $36. Wow, so I'm just really excited because I got pretty much all makeup products except for the Babe Lash serum, which is the product that I chose. And that is just, like I said, one of my all-time favorite products. And I'm always wanting to get makeup products. So this is seriously maybe one of my best Boxycharm boxes I've ever gotten, but I just get so many great Boxycharm boxes that the bar is set really high, and this may have set the bar even higher because I am that excited about this. Let me do a quick recap and then I will tell you the total retail value, which I'm thinking is going to be really high. So I got Babe Lash Essential Serum, the Fenty Beauty Fairy Balm Shimmer Powder. Oh, I'm so excited to try that. I'm so excited to try all of these. And then I have the Ciate London Everyday Vacay Dewy Coconut Setting Mist. the Nude Sticks Golden Rosé Rock and Roller Easy Eyeliner Ink. And of course, the PUR Festival 2.0 eyeshadow palette. I just feel like Boxycharm knows me so well based off of this box. They knew exactly what to send me to make me happy, because I am so happy and so excited, especially because the total retail value is $171 that I paid $25 for. If I paid $25 just for that Babe Lash serum, I would be so excited and think I got the best deal. But I got all of these other products that I am seriously so excited about, products that I would purchase. So that just makes me feel like I got the most amazing deal. It's amazing that I could get all of these products for $25 when they have a retail value of $171. But definitely let me know your thoughts on any of these products in the comments down below if you have tried them before. I can't wait to do my full face makeup tutorial using all of my Boxycharm products, because my Boxycharm premium box was actually not super heavy in makeup. I got nail care, hair care, skin care, really great products. But with all of the makeup I got in this box, I'm going to be able to do such an exciting and fun full face tutorial with all the products. So like I said, make sure you're subscribed, and I would love it if you would comment down below, like this video, and thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.